Hello, welcome everyone to the Peruvian Chef. Today we'll be making papa la huancaina. Okay, this is a traditional entree in Peruvian cuisine, but it has such a unique story behind that I'll be telling you later while we're cooking. So let's get started in here. Okay, I'm not good for this, that's why I'm cooking. Okay, we're back. First of all, we need to have all our ingredients ready to be cooked. And then, one of the most important things that we need in this recipe is gonna be this little guy here, which name is ají amarillo, or in English is yellow pepper. It's basically the same thing. And usually you're gonna find it in San Francisco or the East Bay at the Latin American stores, and you can find it in the frozen section. And once you get your principal ingredient, then we're gonna start making such an amazing entree. Okay, here is where we're gonna need for making this. Okay, here is the story of this entree that we're gonna make today. During the construction of the railroad that leads from city to city, the names were Lima, which is the capital city in Peru, to Huancayo, another city there, and that is located in the high Andean mountains. Local women used to prepare this yellow creamy sauce with yellow potatoes and then gave it to workers as a thankfulness sign for such an amazing construction. And all of a sudden, all of those workers were so satisfied because of the flavor that it became so popular in this region. But as soon as all people knew about this flavor, it became even more famous in Lima. We're going to start by cutting the ends of the yellow peppers and then open them lengthwise. Scrape the seeds and the veins out with your knife. Okay, for this you might want to use gloves, and definitely keep your hands away of your eyes because it can cause irritation. Here is when the yellow pepper makes you cough because you're killing it. Huh, nothing serious. Now you're gonna grab all your potatoes, and after that you're gonna wash them under the water and then place them in a pot to boil for approximately 15 minutes. Then hard-boil a couple of eggs. Once cooked your potatoes, remove them from the pot. After the potatoes are cooled down, cut them in halves and then place about 3 halves on a plate on which you put some lettuce. Next, put the soda crackers together with the evaporated milk, yellow pepper and the cheese into a blender and blend it completely. When it's done, give it a taste and add salt if needed. Otherwise, pour some of it over the potatoes. Then add the hard-boiled eggs as shown. Next, place the black or green olives. And now, you're ready to enjoy! You can also eat it in different ways. For example, you can serve the potatoes and Huancaina sauce together with tomato sauce, with spaghetti, or meatballs, however you like, or any other food of your preference. That's it for today, folks. And remember, if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Peruvian Chef. Then soon we'll be making delicious Peruvian food, but not only entries, but complete meals and desserts. Have a great time and enjoy your tasty papa la Huancaina. And at the same time surprise them with a new flavor, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna That's it for today, folks, and remember, if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. What's the name of my channel?
The Peruvian Chef. And then
okay.
we'll roll everything
To my channel. Okay, let's do it. No, that's so natural. Tasty papa la Huancaina.